PMET saying, flying Emirates again for the 9th time from Manchester via Dubai to Mauritius again in a couple of months. I love CAY. First in will be the Logan Air coming in from Aberdeen. Flight time of just under an hour, and you can see the next plane coming onto finals behind it. Oh yes, that looks really good. Row inspections just taken place. Yeah, it's a new vehicle they've got for the ops team there. Lovely touchdown. And a good roll out. Right, so I'm just keeping an eye out for that TUI. I'm not going to miss that. Nice rotation, and that TUI is in sight. And that's updated livery, and by that I mean newly painted. I don't go into specifics of what I do in my day job because it's really boring, but it's, yeah. But yes, I write a lot of boring reports that nobody else reads. That's literally it. So, yeah, it's not exciting, but the great thing about it is it gives me a lot of flexibility. So I get to be able to do it when I want to. So, like the days that I'm not streaming, I start like at 4 a.m. in the morning, and then I'll work through till 7, 8 at night. So I catch up in regards of that, you know, rather than the 9 to 5s of everybody else. I can get extra work done in that time. So it works for me. I mean, is it a lot of extra work? Yeah, absolutely it is. But I enjoy the streaming so much. So it's great to be out there. Well, out here, I should say. But yes, not very techy, but I love tech, so I read a lot around it. Speaking of tech, there will probably be a couple of additional streams in the next week or two. Very short streams, probably about an hour. I'm just testing a few pieces of equipment. Might even be just like of the street. You might even just see a street or something. So there's going to be a few things where we're going to be updating the equipment. Just make sure everything works. This is EasyJet A320neo off to Tenerife. Devil's Advocate, good morning. Martin Reed smashing the game, saying he's not worked on Monday in the last 10 years. That's how you do it. Having said that, when I'm doing this and the weather's good and it's not too bad, it doesn't feel like doing anything, honestly. It's so nice. It's like a therapy session, but it's free of charge. Oh, EasyJet in the Waterloo livery. Sorry, Eurovision. Snoradora is doing a thing. You're gonna have a look at these, the Eurovision one. No. Ian Burton, good morning. I think I just said that. In case saying good morning to everyone. Good to have Caroline in the chat. In Hess saying good morning, or dreaming of being on that 2E plane to Mexico. Fabulous stream. Well, I appreciate it. Say weird glitch before, but all back to normal. Because they send the bill to Ryanair for the potholes. Can't see Virgin or Emirates causing that much damage, even though they're heavy, so they just float down. Well, yeah, Ryanair can be a little bit aggressive at times, can't they? But I think they all do their damage in their ways, don't they? I mean, having said that, we did see a couple of heavy Emirates landings last week. Pretty smoky, to be honest. Right, next in, we have this ATR from Belfast, ATR 72. So, prop. Oh, tipping that left wing down to stay on that runway heading. Down the centre line, I should say, more so than anything else. And here we go with the new EasyJet livery in the Eurovision sticker. It's there. It says, "It's your show. Get out of there." Well, get out there, I should say. Right, here we go. And that's off to Oslo. What was that? It's just like some glittery kind of thing. It's better than out. Okay, she's not impressed. Unless he's a Eurovision fan, so... she's really not impressed. This Ryanair's coming in from Dublin. Can I have a coffee, please? Thank you. I think a lot more money from that has to be filtered down to road funds. Jet 2 on the way to Barcelona. And we have Nige making their way over to us. I am not going to try and pronounce your username, but say morning from Stockholm, Sweden. Lovely channel, chat and community. Found this through Heathrow Live. Love the kindness, great initiative. And PS, I've heard about some of the stories of their piece, and I'll just leave that one there. Yeah, Chris saying sales the same in regards to the marathon. Yeah, totally get that, mate. It's a joke, and really, councillors need to be made more accountable for these silly decisions that they make. Right, sec.